How to save a number in WhatsApp. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily save any contact number in your WhatsApp. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, you have to open your WhatsApp and here you will see a plus icon button. Click on it and here you can see new contacts. Click on it. Now you have to write the name of the person. For example, I want to write this name. And after that, write here the contact. For example, if I want to write this number, after that you can select any other number and here you can type the email of that person. After that you have to click on save and the contact of this person would be saved in your WhatsApp. So guys, in this way you can save a contact or mobile number in your WhatsApp very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.